Have you completed any challenges in the month of January 2024? If you have, pat yourself on the back. And yeah, let's keep going. It's that time. Let's go ahead and complete some mini savings challenges. And at the end of the video, I will tell you where this money will be reallocated to. So, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee, and I'm doing mini savings challenges to get that instant gratification. So yeah, so my money for my mini saving challenges come from my variable spending. I give myself $200 a week, and I roll over my variable spending money bi-weekly, so every 2 weeks. So out of $400, this is how much we had left for the last 2 weeks. 51, 120, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 190. So from 400, I spent $210. Yay! So I had the money to get things I wanted, and I also saved some money for savings challenge. So that's great. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna be completing some challenges and starting some new ones today. The first thing that we're going to do is satisfy this IOU that I had last time I did a mini saving challenge video, $31. So let's take the 31. No, this is how I normally do it because, well, I do it this way. Let me go ahead and take the 31 out. Okay, so that's the $31 for my IOU. And this challenge is from Dee's Digital World, and it is a self-paced challenge. So I rolled a 10 with the dice, and that's how I end up with 10 for each bear. So we're gonna go ahead and roll 2 dice again because I'm eager to try to finish this challenge, but I probably won't today because I would need to roll an 8, and that'll be $80. Look at God. Well, I guess we're gonna complete this challenge today. He knows what I have going on. So we're gonna put $80 in this challenge. So we are complete. So let me get $80. 70, 80. So in this challenge, we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. $160. So let's see if that is true. Your words are powerful. You see, I said that 8 and I rolled the 8. So, baby, I'm over here speaking life over our finances. I hope you are over yours. I hope you believe that. You have to believe it. So, yeah. So, let's see if this is 160. 51, 20, 40. Huh? Something ain't right. Oh, I know what I did. Last time, since I had an IOU of 30, last time I needed to color in I needed to mark off 3 of the bears because I owed $30. So really, I'm gonna take 30 from this. Yay! Yeah, so I really needed to roll a 5 instead of an 8. Okay, let's see if they work out. Let's see if Ms. V fixed her problem. I hope I can fix all my problems. Well, God can fix them because I ain't fixing nothing. So let's see if this is 160. Let's try it again. I'm gonna leave that in and show you that we are human. We mess up too. 51, 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. I hope that didn't confuse you guys. Yeah. So 160. Yay! So as I mentioned, stay to the end so I can tell you what I'm doing with my mini saving challenge. We have the affirmation challenge from the beautiful Income Babes here on YouTube. Go check out her channel. And the affirmation for January is, I am in control of my finances and manage my money wisely. So yeah, so what I do is just roll a dice. Since I had started in the middle of January, I just rolled 3 dice. And so as you can see, I rolled a 1, 2, and a 6. So we're going to go ahead and roll 3 more dice here to complete this. The most I could save is $18. So I've already prepared for $18. 4, 2, and a 1. Not sure where my Sharpie is. I think I need to purchase a new one. So I'm going to do a 1, 2, and a 4. You can barely see it, but that's $7. So in this challenge, we have saved 1, 2, 2, 4, 6, 12, $16. I love this challenge because it's nice and paced. You can do it however you like. Yeah. So that's $7 I need to put in here. So should have $16. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yay! We completed that challenge. And next, I'm getting all these challenges completed because I got some new challenges on the way. Thanks to the beautiful Chris over at Budget and Jessica, because I ordered that letter challenge she just posted. So I'm excited about that. So we have completed the affirmation. We'll be completing is Cash is Queen. You will say $70, and this is from Tiffany over at Cash Locks and Life. She's on For the Creator. I'll link her channel down below. And we have a total of $60 already, so we need to color in the crown and the money to complete this challenge for $10. I'm so excited that I thank you, Melissa, for being an inspiration to do these fun mini challenges. See, this really helps me because I'm doing the 20K challenge, so I'm getting these small wins while I work on that larger challenge. So yeah, so that's what I need. I know that I like small wins, and I realize I won't get small wins with everything, the stock market and saving for big challenges. So you have to do things that motivate you meanwhile. So that is the Cash is Queen challenge. Right, guys, this is another teddy bear challenge. This one is worth this one you will save $80, and I need 9 teddy bears to complete it. I've already written it down, so let's see if we can roll a 9. Let's see if what we say is true to complete this one. If not, we'll carry it over to next time. Okay, 5. We'll take 5, so that'll be $25. So let's mark out 5 of these teddy bears. So that means we'll be able to finish the next time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll have $20 to finish the next time. So what we need, $25. So we got 25. So I'm gonna take 40 and put the $15 back. 25 plus 15 is 40. So we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 times 5 is 60. So yeah, that is the teddy bear challenge. Next, we have another challenge from Tiffany, Loving My Locks, and this one is worth $140. I'm gonna roll the dice to see how many of these we will color in. Let me see how much money we have first. You know, Miss Vee be over here risky. 55, 65, 66, 67. I can't roll anything higher than a 6. I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 dice instead of 1 because I like to challenge myself. Woo! Only Miss V. So that's 7. So I'm supposed to say $70. 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67. Miss V out here with these IOUs. So I have an IOU of $3. And I'm not going to be able to get to my other challenge today because I was being risky. So today's the 29th, 24. So we say $67. All right, I'm going to go ahead and color in. I'm going to go ahead and color in 7. Four, 5. I don't know if this hyphen counts. 5, 6, 7. All right, that's Loving My Lock. So we didn't even make it to the new challenge. I'll introduce you to those next time if we do But Puzzle It, I didn't get a chance to do that one. And Nailed It, I didn't get a chance to do that. So I'll complete these 2 for sure before I start any new challenges. That's going to be the goal. So these will be in front next time. So this is Miss V. I completed some challenges. So stay tuned. Let me get my money together. See how much I've saved in all my mini challenges. You know, at the end of every month, I'm going to reallocate that money for whatever sinking fund I choose to put it in. And stay tuned to find out. For the month of January, I completed 4 challenges. The Cash is Queen for $70. The Cube It Chat Savings for $50. The Teddy Bear Challenge for $160. And the Monthly Affirmation for $16. So we saved a total of 51, 120, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. 296. So the 2 sinking funds that I'm working on now, if you didn't know, I finally set a goal for each one of my sinking funds. So whichever sinking fund that is a priority at the end of the month, that's where my mini savings challenge will go. So for the month of January, we have $296. $200 will go to my car maintenance because, you know, I just depleted that fund, so we got to try to build that back up. And the 96 will go to my tax preparations because, you know, it's tax time. We have to pay our tax preparer. So that's where the money will go. So, yeah. So thank you for tuning in. This is Miss V. I'm going to always show you a way to save. Thank you and have a nice day.